Because we are down to the exhaust manifold. Questions, death threats, or concerns?
No.
Not even concerned that we're going to get this put back together?
I ain't putting it back together today.
I didn't say today.
Okay.
I just said back together. In general.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
You think it'll happen?
Yeah.
Okay, you can stay there. Starting the exhausting part. It's all got to come off. I don't like working on exhaust either.
That's fair.
Not old exhaust, because I'm going to have to come over there now.
Okay.
Holy shit. That one's hot. There we go. Whew. A little hot right there in the sun.
Yeah, you do.
Arr.
Smile.
You don't look too happy.
No, he doesn't. He's very grumpy. Like most mechanics.
I haven't got mad at this one yet.
You've gotten annoyed at it.
Not mad though.
Not mad, but annoyed.
Just
There
stupid.
could be an annoyed face.
It's just a stupid little layered on top of shit.
Yep.
Ah, that one that slipped, I got
Nice.
tighten first. Didn't loosen.
So weird.
Because that's the only thing different I did whenever I came back over to it. Just made sure I was on it really good.
Yeah.
Just a partial turn just to crack it a little bit tighter. And
And it'll pop the other way.
not every time. It's scary to do once you've already started around it. Because you just don't know if it's
No.
going to hold. I have to eat?
Yes, you do.
Am I, like, why?
Because you need to eat to live.
But why do I need to eat to live?
Because I like to keep you alive.
But why do I have to eat to be alive?
Because that's how life works.
I don't agree.
Then
I should
do something about it.
I should be able to filter feed like a sponge. Excuse me.
Oh,
What?
just looking. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's no. That makes sense. Parts that should be coming out.
Okay.
That's a 10 in your hand, just so you're aware.
Okay.
It's a little guy.
Nope, it's the 12.
It should have been right there near, towards me, towards you a little bit more towards you.
It's not that?
No,
Okay.
towards you. Forward, towards me. I mean, stop. Pinky. Stop.
That?
Nope. One next to it, to your left or right. Sorry, you're right.
That?
Nope. In between that, right there.
That.
Yes.
Got it.
If it don't want to come loose, you just keep taking bolts out until it does. Because what? We're going to maybe need a new gasket by the time something else is done? Maybe. But also at the same time, I should probably replace it anyway. Sorry, they were kind of bigger bolts instead of like the little 10s.
Yeah.
So I'm curious if they go through anywhere. Yes, it does. Being that long. Oh, okay. I got something you can do.
Huh.
Kind of weird. 12 millimeter.
12?
On a red. I'll show you really first. I'll show you first.
Okay.
Look down that side. Is it just these two going into the back of it, or is there anything further in that's going into the back of this piece?
Yeah, there's a bigger bolt back there and a smaller bolt.
I think those need to come out.
Okay.
They look like 12s.
Okay.
Here. I don't know if the extension will get in there. This is the reason why I don't let you go crazy prying. Does that make more sense now? I am cautious for a reason. I have been Not in this situation, but doing stuff like this. And we're close, though. Because once we get those off, I think this cover will come off. And then there's one tensioner to take off to get the chain off. And then we can pull the cams and the head. That sounds like a lot, but the head's like 8 bolts inside. It's... What?
No.
You're annoyed at me, aren't you?
Nope.
You're just like, yep, you took over again, aren't you? I hit my elbow.
Yeah, that was your karma.
You got a lot of nerve, don't you, baby? I only hit the curve.
I can take her off now?
Well, I'm trying to figure out what's leaking. I know I have a small oil leak. Not bad.
Telling all your friends that I'm crazy.
So, do you know what any of this stuff is in here?
Timing chain.
Yes, besides that.
No. Gear.
Do you know what this is?
Metal.
That's a phaser.
Okay. I've never even heard of a phaser.
Yeah, that doesn't phase me. These little guys are always fun. That's a tensioner. Yeah, it don't matter. There we go. I took it off a different way.
Okay.
I'll just reset it.
Okay. Sorry. Said it doesn't matter, Penny.
It's just resetting the tensioner is kind of annoying sometimes.
Gotcha.
You gotta... There's a Toyota one. Looks like a Toyota part number. Because, see, you have to just hold it back and then you have to kind of wiggle it around until it collapses back in, and it's just annoying. Because there's a pin that goes in here.
Yeah.
That locks everything. Because now everything... The head is now free from the block on the front. So now we get to pull the cams out.
Okay.
And pull the head off.
Okay. Tonight?
That's really a weird spot for an O-ring. Underneath the timing chain guide. Yeah. There we go. Because this will tell me where these bolts at least go. Some crazy ass crap going on here, huh? Cool. Technically speaking, we'll probably have all new stuff if this head looks the way I think it's going to.
Okay.
But if I don't have to, I don't want to.
Because these we're putting back on once we take that off, right?
We can, yes.
Okay.
Oh, they're labeled E's and I's, so it's even better.
Okay.
And they can stay together, I don't care.
Crankshaft?
Nope. That's what Penny called them, too.
Damn it!
They're camshafts. Do not drop.
Yes, these are the things that you're fucked if they shatter.
Might be able to set them on the rack above your head, too. Everything looks good so far. I don't see no damage up here. Alright, sit there.
Quality over
Quantity.
Oh, that was loose. Oh. That's scary. Left side's all loose.
except that one.
Well, you actually got your rights and lefts. I had it wrong there, technically.
Oh. There you go.
Might have to do these ones by hand. Yes.
Nice.
Like I'm the only one. Why'd you throw them stones if you had a wild air of your own too? Living in your big glass house with a view. I thought you knew. I had some help.
I retained one thing.
Okay. One of them fell off.
It's just a rocker arm. It's
Actually,
okay.
2 fell off.
Not a huge deal.
Those are called camshafts. That's what I retained.
So we got to get this guy
Yeah.
back there. That's rude. Toward me, yeah. Thank you. Are we sure we got everything? Oh, they're ground wires, so there's we'll go back one. Cool.
Okay.
Yeah. So just set it straight down.
Ta-da!
Well, I can tell you it was definitely 2 and 3 because you can see the color difference in the pistons.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. In black and silver. I'd have to rotate it over. So many rags occupied. You can just tell that one's been, it's a lot less than the others.
Yeah.
That one was worse.
That's 2, right?
Yeah.
Supervisor.
The chicken?
Yes.
Oh, God. I'm probably going to have to flip it over to do everything, but I think it's warped in here to here. I'll have to get it flipped over tomorrow and actually measure it right.
Okay.
But I think the head's gone. I think it's supposed to be 3 to 5 hundredths or thousandths will be okay, but anything beyond that won't seal. But at the same time, there was 2 head bolts that were looser than the others whenever I was pulling them off on the exhaust side. This is the exhaust side. And that's the front exhaust. It blew where one of the bolts were loose. Unless
Interesting.
The bolt's loose because it blew. But
That's what I was just about to say.
I'm half tempted to throw a head gasket on it. I'm half tempted. If that thing measures out half decent.
Okay.